What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have your favorite brand right in front of me. This is the 2018 GLS 450. It's got a little bit higher miles. It's just over 80,000 miles, but let's see how it does in the test. As usual, let's start with the back seat. Also, what do you guys think of the Ford Model A video I did? Older car than what I usually do, but I was able to snag it for you. Let me know what you guys thought of that video in the comments below. Anyway, let's see how this does. Not off to the best start, but doesn't tell the full story. We gotta still check out the front. Now, as you guys know, sometimes I do duplicates of cars that I've already reviewed. Like I'm sure I've already done a GLS or a GL 450 or whatever, same car. I think I've done a couple of them, but it's okay to compare other cars. So what if one car is a little different than the last one I did? So this shows the consistency, or lack thereof, who knows. That's why you find out. But let's see how this one does. Look at this shit. All right, now let's do the button test. And now for the final button. It's upside down in this case. $81,944 is the odometer. Alright, how did it do? Well guys, this is pretty consistent with a lot of other Mercedes that I've done in the past, as far as Mercedes crossovers anyway, like the ML/GLE, GL/GLE. What I mean is they're terrible. A lot of squeaks, just not really that well put together overall. I don't know why people like these things so much. I mean, they drive cool, I guess, but God, why are they so popular? That's sad. Anyway, what score does it get? Well, there wasn't really a single area that I touched that didn't squeak, and that didn't squeak loudly, so 4 out of 10. Yeah, it's dog shit. As far as materials go, things are looking a little bit brighter. Mercedes has done pretty good actually so far with soft touch. Like, this is all soft touch. Everything around here feels pretty good material wise. All the immediate things you touch actually feel fine. This is consistent with the other models. The rear climate vents here, this is hard, ultra cheap feeling plastic, something out of like a Ford Escort. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Why the fuck would they use something like this in a car like this? That just blows my mind. I hope they change that for the newest GLS, but they made this generation for a little while. As like I mentioned last time, you can buy an $80,000 car and still not get leather seats. We got MB techs going on here all day. 80 grand. Mercedes, I think, sneers at their customers, honestly. They know that they'll buy anything as long as it's got a 3-pointed star on it. And we have plastic sun visors. Not that great. Not the worst plastic in the world, but it really ought to be at least cloth like the headliner. Wood's nice in here, hasn't cracked yet. Not that I can see. Wood looks pretty good, other than the fact that it squeaks like hell. So materials wise, I think 6 out of 10 is a fair score for that. And I do like the wood steering wheel, actually. That is a nice extra touch. So Mercedes seems to do good with steering wheels. Buttons are kind of not bad, but not that great either. Typical Mercedes. Some of the buttons feel better than others. Like, I don't like any of these center console buttons. They feel really cheap. The rest of them are okay, I guess. So there you guys have it. Final score is 4 out of 10 for fit and finish, 6 out of 10 for materials. Please let me know your guys' thoughts. Alright guys, catch you next time. Peace.